Before making a cut with the bandsaw, make sure the shop dust collector is turned on. Then adjust your blade guide assembly to within 1 inch of your workpiece. Make sure to lock the blade guide assembly. Next, adjust your fence to the desired width. When finished, lock the fence. And just go ahead and remember to scoot that workpiece back, free and clear of the blade. We're now ready to plug the saw in. Turn the power switch to the 1 position, pop that off button out, and hit the green on button. When cutting, remember to use light and even pressure. Keep your fingers clear of the blade. Turn the saw off, and you've done it.